Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Marlisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events for Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Prime Minister Narendra Modi meets Pope Francis at Vatican City in Rome, Italy. 1 year and 4 months is good enough to work for the welfare of the people, says Pinyat Singh's aim. Linguistic Dictionary Learners Khasi Dictionary with English Khasi Index released at St. Anthony's College in Shillong. And Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement celebrates Silver Jubilee with singing competition. And now the news in detail. The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, today met the spiritual head of the Catholic Church, Pope Francis, at Vatican City in Rome, Italy. Modi and Pope Francis had a warm meeting. Modi was scheduled to meet the Pope for half an hour, but an informed source said the meeting went on for an hour. Modi and the Pope discussed a wide range of issues aimed at making the planet Earth better, such as fighting climate change and removing poverty. Modi, who gifted a silver candle stand to the Pope, was accompanied by National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, and Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla. Modi gave Pope Francis a silver candle stand and a book, The Climate Climb: India's Strategy, Actions and Achievements. The Pope gave Mr. Modi a collection of his main teaching documents and a bronze medallion featuring a tree and the words in Italian, "The desert will become a garden." During their meeting, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has invited Pope Francis to visit India.
Thank you very much.
Your Holiness, no, for the candle stand.
Yes, thank you.
It's very specially made. So much thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is your most favorite subject, climate. What type of initiative I have taken in my country? I have given a detailed account.
Questo per lei, questo è un medaglio fatto qui in Vaticano. Vaticano specially बनाया गया है आपके लिए.
Wow.
Si dice
Your Holiness, no, for the candle stand.
Yes, thank you.
It's very specially made. So much thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is your most favorite subject, climate. What type of initiative I have taken in my country? I have given a detailed account.
Questo per lei, questo è un medaglio fatto qui in Vaticano. Vaticano specially बनाया गया है आपके लिए.
Wow.
Si dice l'abbondanza, il grano, l'uva,
Wow.
tutto, e si dice il deserto, traduci tu, il deserto diventerà un giardino.
Wow.
The hectic voting was witnessed in all the three constituencies of Rajabala, Maurinkeneng and Mauplang throughout the day. Large number of people were found standing on the queues to exercise their right to franchise. Speaking to the media, the chairman of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and NPP candidate for Maurinkeneng constituency said, if elected, he could still bring development in the constituency as he would have 1 year and 4 months to work for the welfare of the people.
Parti NPP so ban pen pau chaga jing ai khublei ki pai ba jong ka constituency hi bor ko we ya ka ba minta ka singi kan de ka singi ka ba ki pai ba pin sa yo ban jet mai ya u MLA jong ki na ka minta ban beteng ki ba bun tli ki kam hakini ki sistem so banai ka bang sa hakini constituency te kermen na ka liang jong aru aso ternat bang aso kemen dengan yo ban dan hakanika polling station ka Shillong ka Bangadan ya kabangan yo ban thep ikavut jonga kan ban ru pa ladaki pai ba kin ai ngi kani kalat bangin longkum MLA jong ni constituency se ka artarik ka bangin satip ya ka result te kan ban ba ngin sayo ban ai ka jing shakri ka ba khamba bat ka ba janai na ka menta kini ki shisnam sobnai ki ba dangsa hakani ka term ka menta te tan katahin na ka.
Now let us take a short break for important announcement. Welcome back. Let us continue with the remaining news. A linguistic dictionary, Learner's Khasi Dictionary with English Khasi Index, written by a linguist, Father U.V. Joseph, and association editor, Father Devasya Vashail, and Father Augustine Kutala of Religious Congregation, the Salesian of Don Bosco at St. Anthony's College in Shillong today. The dictionary contains 1,312 pages with 10,000 headwords. The dictionary also contains akin words including prefixes and suffixes. The Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Most Reverend Victor Lingdo, was the chief guest, and former Dean School of Humanities of North Eastern Hill University was the guest of honor. The dictionary was published by Vendrame Institute Publications of Sacred Heart Theological College.
Sacred Heart Theological College, other faculties in and around Shillong, eminently wise academicians, parish priest rectors, colleagues, friends, confreres. A very good afternoon to you all, though belated. As director of Vendrame Institute Publications, the official publications wing of Sacred Heart Theological College, Meghalaya, it is my joy and privilege to address this assembly on the occasion of the release of an important book by Father U.V. Joseph. Some time back, when I was contacted by the author and one of the associate editors to have it published under our banner, I was overjoyed because I knew the caliber of the writer and the associate editors. I knew his academic excellence, and so I knew the book would be of immense relevance, particularly because it was a Khasi dictionary. was expected to do was simple, to provide them our logo, but I must thank the principal of St. Agnes College, Brother Albert Longi, Father Joby Joseph, and all the others, particularly the head of the Department of Casti here, Professor Rolling Stone and his team, for having accepted and taken all the initiative to have this event hosted.
Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement today celebrated its Silver Jubilee with inter-diocese gospel singing competition at Bianchi Hall of the Cathedral Parish, Lamkra, Shillong. Many groups hailing from the different dioceses took part in the competition. On this occasion, a song, To Yang Jaj Samla, was uploaded on YouTube. Speaking, Vicar General of Shillong Archdiocese, Father Richard, was the chief guest, said that the singing competition should help these young people to glorify the Lord in other occasions relating with the activities of the church.
apa yang jadi ikut sama lagi. Ini sekarang ini sebentar. Mereka ini kemudian kau benar kalau apa? Habang piruai ini hagi di competition. Kamu ikut lo tengah di competition. Nada ikut lo tengah di competition jangan try to prepare negatif kuat di bawah doa hagi events berhere bawa ki VIP, bawa ki VIP, kini berdoa hagi events berhere untuk datang. Nada ikut itu tujuh kalau apa? Kumlo beberapa ini sama pom hagi cing dan nyam. Hagi mas makut habok ki mani ban ki kam jong ke balang tapi biong ngangan menruai tan ha mengalin wai di Shillong ini ha mengalin wai competition kata tegak lan jimut Henry pemuda ko piwai ne dapat film pinang ilang jiwai hai hien mani haki balang dong haki balang Shillong haki sub district haki parish level kata kadi ki juni tenaga dan juni iko am ya kadi ko bai film ki sakhi daga sak ko ke mama pi bidon kata kadi ki sakhi bat mantan ni dan ye grad minister tu ngidan ke program ko ha naga kata kadi ka synodality kapag ilay krani habang kapalang nila dapli ya kani ka synodality kabamut bang hindi man kutok lang yung parang kibriyo kajing ko at yung Pope Francis ko lang ba hakani ka synodality kabamut ba parang kita benar mata banai yang dijikso joki banai yang opinion joki suggestion joki hakor company joki balang ne hakor kumlong balang katakan dia kerja untuk Pope Francis ketika kini nak kena wastan ni lagi barang Shillong lagi barang dong lagi parish lagi diocese bagi serai ini syaka sinat joki bishop haurai tu bahaus dan arja alai ketika membuat begini betul berkait amil om tapi dia menyo iki suggestions iki opinion iki cikso om tan iki tujuan di mere iki tujuan di Malaysia jadi itu bagi niam, jadi itu bagi balang. Nanti jadi kenhut kita prepare kita nak hilang sarang. Kita benar ni besar. Hak jadi itu kita balang. Teman tak kesini dapat ia kau kesal bom. Baru tak kesal bom kalau kesal untuk jiwa kita jadi. Dengan apa nanti berkam ini kesal bom. Hak ikam balang, hak jadi jadi kita memandang segi. Bantasya bagi ikut semula film yang tak kesaki, film kita kesaki, film yang tak film kita belum, film tak kesai. Hak jadi jadi kita memandang segi. Cuma berkali kini kecil, bangiki lindo berkirim yang kita gigi bentar juga jadi juga bertanya ke bang imla ban, poyak itu kelevel. Kami hak ini memang bagi poyak itu kelevel benar, pemengingin yang kata kesai, juga jadi juga barang jadi. Dan yang ini mama video yang jadi yang barang, video yang gospel yang ketubi im hak jadi juga memandang segi. Kembali sendiri mengikirnya minum lah upaya untuk kelebihan, pilih upaya hak itu benda juga jadi. Akan apa kebor ni jadi ni sedang berbor. Iki jitu kepang juki, tapi jitu juga firman. Kamtam nak kata ni jitu peke nak kata ni jubili. Ni bang ni berom ni bau pres utrai juni. Utrai non ringkat tapi. Play berbor berom. Ukba berdukun, bersibukun urgut kuipi.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.